Hi, I'm Luke, and today we'll be opening this Cat 8-inch Tough Tracks 2-pack dump truck and wheel loader. First, let's start with the wheel loader. Wow, look at that, so cool. All you have to do is set it on the dirt, push it forward, it scoops it up, and then pull this back and it lifts up the dirt. Now we need somewhere to put it. I know, let's get our friend, Mr. Dump Truck. We'll go ahead and dump this in the back, and then go back and get some more. And let's put it in the truck. Now we need somewhere to dump the dirt. Let's just dump it back here for now. And keep on filling. Let's get some more dirt. Put it in the dump truck. Some more dirt. And we'll put it in the dump truck. Now we have to dump it again. Let's go ahead and dig up some of the dirt back here next. We'll need to back up the dump truck too. And now we start digging. Wow, this is a lot of hard work. It's like we're really construction workers. Well, the dump truck has to go unload his load, so he has to leave. And the wheel loader has to leave too, because the other construction workers are coming. Well, it was fun playing with them though. Maybe next time we'll find other construction vehicles to play with. Thanks for watching. Now, you can watch another one of my construction videos or one of my friends' videos. Our pictures are always in the corner like these 4 examples. And please, don't forget to subscribe.